All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to change your units from pixels to inches, or really from any measurement to any other type of unit. So let's jump in. First, I want to make sure you see the rulers up here. If you don't have those showing, you go View, Rulers, and you'll just say, it'll either say Show or Hide. So you want to show your rulers first. And then one quick way to do it just for this document is just right-click on the ruler and you can change it, right? Inches, there you go. Change it back to pixels. So that's the quickest way, but that didn't change it for all your new documents. If you want to change that, you go to Settings and Units, and then you're going to change it here to inches, or like I said, you can change it to any units you want. So hit inches there, and now your new documents going forward will be created like that. You can also go to Document Setup under File, and their units are here. That's for that'll change it for this document as well. But like I said, all of them, if you want them to be like that going forward, use your settings up here. If you want to do it for just this document, you can either do Document Setup or right-click on the ruler. So that's that. I hope that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.